Good morning, everyone. So let's continue with our class. So in the class we have started with the key features of democracy, which are very important, and that makes a true democracy. Okay. So the first thing which we have read is about the decision making mechanism which a democracy must have, and for that purpose it must have three major organs which play a very important role in making various kind of decisions in a democratic kind of a country. And these three organs are legislature, executive, and judiciary. Okay, so what is legislature? Legislature is a house or a body in which you make laws, where the government make laws. Okay, and whatever law has been made, it comes in the way of a proposal, and it is discussed into two houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and when they get the consent, only then that particular proposal becomes a law. Okay, after legislature we have executive. After making a law, you need a body of people to execute whatever you have made. Okay, and for that purpose you have executive organ, and the head of the executive organ is the President of India. And then you have finally an independent body which actually keeps a strict rule, that is called a judiciary. Okay, judiciary is something in which it take case if the law made by the constitution should not be violated. Okay, so if a person or a group of people have any kind of a problem, or if any kind of issue, or if their laws or if their rights have been exploited, then they can go to the judiciary. Okay, so these are the three wings or the decision making mechanism of a democratic country. And then we have read about equality, that how equality is very important in a democratic country. Now, how equality is established in a democratic country? That is by the way of UAF, Universal Adult Franchise. According to Universal Adult Franchise, in a country where democracy is very important, and in playing a good democracy, elections is a very important, election process is very important, and that is why elections is done on the basis of Universal Adult Franchise, that a person who has attained the age of 18 or above 18 can only give vote, irrespective of their qualification, caste, color, creed, region, or any other perspective. Okay, so this is how equality is established. Equality, economic and social spheres, equality can also be established by two ways. First is the constitution has been made so that the violation of rights cannot be done. Another thing is that there has been policies made by the government for the upliftment of those people who have been backward or whose development is very much necessary, and that is why we have read about reservations. We have read about how the midday meal facilities have been given to the poor children, or how the development schemes have been started for the rural areas. Whatever we have been read are given into these points. And then justice means judiciary. Judiciary plays a very important vital role. Okay, justice should be one which should be separate from any other government body. Even the president or prime minister of India should not interfere into the working of the judiciary. Okay, so let's talk about what is justice. The judiciary plays an important role in the implementation of democracy, because democracy में जब भी आपके पास में कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है तो वहाँ पे आप उसकी जो पर्टिकुलर हेयरिंग है वो प्रॉपर होनी चाहिए, और उस केस की हेयरिंग प्रॉपर तभी हो सकती है जब जस्टिस जुडिशरी जो है वो इम्पार्शियल हो. It protects the freedom and right of the people of a democratic country. All citizens are equal in the eyes of the law. Okay, every citizen is equal in the eyes of the law. Very important. Every citizen has the right to seek and receive justice. Okay, so justice is again very important feature of democracy. And human dignity. Okay, now what is dignity? Dignity means importance to human beings. See, we have talked about monarchy, we have talked about dictatorship, and we have seen that there is no importance of a common person. What does a common person want? You know what makes a country? People makes the country. Okay, and taking care of each and every citizen is very important. Okay, but in a monarchy and dictatorship, nobody asks that what a common person wants. Nobody will go to a common person and nobody will ask their permission or what they want, or if they have been getting exploited. Nobody will ask. Only democracy is a form of government in which dignity has been given to humanity. Okay, so that is the meaning of the word human dignity. Dignity refers to the recognition of the fact that a human being is worthy of respect. Democracy stands on the foundation of human dignity. There is respect for equality and justice for everyone, irrespective of his or her status or achievement. Everyone enjoys the fundamental right. You know, we have so many fundamental rights. We have read in 6th standard also. Okay, and these fundamental right has been provided to us by the Constitution, and nobody, not even the President or Prime Minister of India or any country, can go against your rights, guaranteed by the Constitution, and no one is allowed to violate means जो rights हैं इनका उल्लंघन इनको कोई क्रॉस नहीं कर सकता है, to violate the rights of others. The principles and key elements of democracy promote human values and form the basis of a just society. Just society means a kind of society in which everybody is considered as equal. Okay, and everybody has its importance. When a person is going to go to vote, okay, whenever you go to vote, you will see that whenever you are standing in a queue to vote, you will see that every kind of person is standing over there. Does not matter if he's a rich person or an old person or a young person, everybody is standing. At that moment, you will realize that yes, this is called as a democratic country. These principles and elements rank democracy above any other form of government. The provisions made by the legal system and the constitution and the special schemes launched by the government help in promoting equality of opportunities and realizing the spirit of democracy. Participation and cooperation of the people and recognition of the values of democracy is a necessary condition for the success of these welfare policies and programs. Okay, so people participation and cooperation is also very important. If it is a democratic country, and we, it does not matter, the government is playing a very vital role, very important role, but it's our responsibility also. Okay, see, you must have seen that there are so many people around you who are not giving vote. Okay, and the value of vote is very important. There is a very less percentage of people who go to voting. That is our most important right, which makes us a true democracy. So participation and cooperation of the common people is very important for the success of the democracy. So by this we have completed our chapter, that is understanding democracy. You are going to have some problem whenever you are going to read the chapter, and you will be asking the problems on Thursday when we are going to have a live class, and plus we are going to do the remaining question answers which are left by Thursday. Okay, on Thursday when we are going to have a live class. Before that, you must be done with the exercises and the first question answers, question number 3, and which comprises of 5 questions, which must be done in your copy by now. Okay, and I will be giving you a PDF file of chapter number 1 question answers also. So please complete those question answers in your copy too. Okay, thank you so much.